Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Google Drive and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.